Hi guys, it's your favorite mini brown bonnet girl. Yeah, whatever is that I said. Okay, so my name is Sylvia. If you're stopping by for the first time, please don't make it your last by clicking on the subscribe button and also turning on post notification so you can get notified as soon as I post my content. Yes, guys. So, guys, long time no makeup. But before I proceed, okay, my whole G's, the whole subscriber, the returning viewers, returning subscriber, thank you guys for coming back. Thank you guys for always sticking with me, guys. You're the real deal. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Okay, so back to the story. So we're going to be beating this face again after a long while. I hope I even still remember how to do this makeup thing. Okay, I do remember. Yes, I remember. Okay, I remember how to do it, but I'm not going to do it the regular way. I just discovered that this new, I don't know if it's new, but it's just something I'm trying out, and I just thought to share with you guys. Like, I've always done things differently before. Like, I set my under eye with setting powder, but the setting powder I have seem not to be working with me or with my skin or something, because I get flashbacks even when I try the don't apply too much powder to set, don't do this to set, do this, do that, bake that. It just doesn't work. So now I just use my regular compressed powder to set and as well bake. I know, yes, it doesn't sound like the normal thing. Yes, it's not normal, but it works, and I love what I get with it, and it's great. It doesn't crease, and it's just smooth, and I like it. So if you're interested in that, keep watching, stay tuned. Love you guys. Let's get right into this business. All right, welcome back. So I'm going to be assuming that this face is primed already. Actually, I've moisturized and as well moisturized my lips. So the face is actually moisturized, but I don't want to prime because I'm not going anywhere. I just want to do this for you guys. Can you guys hear me? Because I don't know. I think I'm talking to myself. I'm doing this for you guys. Okay, that's loud enough. I don't know why I'm like this today. Can you guys see the portrait behind me? That portrait is cute as hell. Okay, let's go back to this. So I'm just going to be applying my foundation straight up. Okay, yeah. So that's all I'm going to be using on my face. I'm just going to apply it on all of my and then I'm going to blend it in. So I don't like to use too much foundation again these days because who has that time? My contouring, I'm not going to make it as dark as I usually make the previous contour, because see this part that I used to blend. Before I used to tell you guys, don't blend your contour and your concealer with the parts you blend the foundation with. Just create other parts. This time around, we're blending everything with the same parts. Yeah, because I realized that the shade of the foundation is really dark, and then if I apply that and blend that into my skin, it gets really dark and my contour just seems very ashy. So now we're not doing that again. We're going another route. This, guys, pay attention. You need to continue. You see how I started from the top of my, so this is where I'm concealing. Okay, and then I'm concealing like this as well. Can you see? Can you see that? So I'm continuing this part like that, and then, so guys, I might only be showing one part of the conceal yeah, of the, why am I saying conceal? I just realized that it's not concealing I'm doing, I'm actually contouring. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys just some part of the contouring. I don't know why I keep saying rubbish. And I'm going to contour my forehead as well. I don't know why, ever since I started contouring my forehead, it just makes sense to contour the forehead. I don't know. Any other person feels like that? Like I don't have like a big forehead or something, but it just made all the sense in this word to contour that part. And then I'm going to just slightly contour this. And the reason why I'm contouring this, even though I didn't plan to contour this before, is because I realized that that foundation shade was a tad bit lighter than my shade. And I should start doing trend too. This trend that they are doing, I don't know. Should I not? No, guys. Let me just stick to what I plan to do, and then next time we do that. Okay. So now I'm just going to blend with the same part. I'm going to blend this in. Guys, can you see? Like, just dab, 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 and see. The trick that I've just discovered is that you really want to be light-handed. You don't want to be too harsh. You want to be really light-handed while you are massaging it into your skin. So just be really light-handed. You can see. Just be really light-handed. Just push, push, push into your skin. But please don't forget to be light-handed. My, yeah, what's it called? The nose. So I'm going to blend the nose. As you can see what I am doing, I'm just forming that V shape. From I'm supposed to be using a brush for this, but don't mind my lazy ass. I decided to use this. I know that nose contour shouldn't be, it gets the story, shouldn't be too dark, and so usually I leave the nose contour like dark, but with the fact that I'm blending the, okay, so this is my nose contour, and then I just blend that in as well. So as always, because my concealer dries quickly, I'm going to conceal in bashes. So starting with the, let me start with the gel, just a tad bit, and then we're still using that same part to blend it in. Remember guys, to be very light-handed. Guys, can you see that? Flawless, right? Flawless. Guys, you know what? I used to be scared of textured skin and everything after makeup, but guys, it's all editing, and I'm no more scared of textured skin. So here we go. Okay, so that's all I'm going to be applying. The high. So for this part, we go here, very light, and then add this under. Can you see that? Just watch, and then this. Oh God. On top of that, because it spreads like crazy. Guys, I'm still working with one part, so you can watch my previous videos to understand what I'm talking about when I talk about my setting powder. Alright guys, so it's time to set the face. I'm using my powder as usual to set the face. Okay, so we go for a shade lighter to set the parts that were highlighted. Can you see? And this. So the next thing now is to apply powder to the rest of my face. And I'm not scared to apply to every part of my face because it's not moving to anywhere, guys. This. To apply my contour powder. Guys, I'm not going to be blushing this face all because, I'm not so big on blush like that. Again, don't ask me why. Ever since I discovered this method, I just feel like blush can sit down for the bit. Nose contour as well again. Okay, so now that we've done this, let me do my brows off camera and we'll be back. Okay, so guys, I've done the brows off camera. I'm going to apply the concealer I used on my so now that I've blended it, I'm going to use this thing to apply the contour shade of my powder just all over the I'm gonna go do my lip off camera, my hair and my under eyes waterline and all of that off camera, and we'll be back. All right guys, so this is the finished look. What do you guys think? I finished the lips and the under eye off camera, and this is what I came up with. So without the setting powder and everything that makes my under eyes all bright and yellowy and all of those things, this is toned down and it is pretty easy. I don't know, I feel like this lip is giving too much that I don't like. I feel like I should So this is it, guys. What you think? What do you think about this look of mine and the former ones? They look alike, right? But trust me, it's a whole lot of difference. So this is me, guys. Let me give you guys some posters before I go. And also, guys, I do not spray my face again because my setting spray is a mess, so I don't do that thing again. And this is it. I had to rush a lot of things, but guys, focus on the skin. The skin is giving giving everything it's supposed to give, guys, and I love this. I'm going to take pictures now. So guys, my Instagram page, I'm going to link it in the description box below. Also, I'm going to drop it somewhere on the screen. Yes, follow me, guys, follow me, check out my pictures. I'm going to take a few pictures. It's already late, but I'm going to take one or two pictures. This look is giving. I'll do something before I take the pictures. Let's see what I do. Okay, so I added gloss to this. I'm not a big fan of gloss, guys, but with the hype on gloss these days, I've been trying it out and I can say I'm infected, guys. I'm so drama filled. Yeah, so let's take pictures and we'll be right back. So guys, don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, share with your friends and families, your foes even. Don't forget to also subscribe to my channel, turn on post notification, yes guys, so that you can get notified as soon as I drop content, as well as comment, guys. Comment, let me know what you think about each videos I post. Let me know what you want me to do better, addition, subtraction, you know, new things, everything. I'm here for you guys. I'm going to give it to you guys. So let's take this channel to the next level, guys. We can do this. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching. I love you guys. Hit on the subscribe button, the like button, and then share. Love you. Kisses everywhere.